day to you. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir. My name is Jennifer P. Reyes from Turayan, Kawayan, Isabela. I am 42 years old. I am single, but I have a live-in partner. We have 3 kids for ages are 14, 13, and 9 years old. I am the only child of the family. I am a college level. I took Bachelor of Science in Nursing.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
I have work experience in Bahrain as a nail technician for 4 years. My responsibilities are cleaning the nails, gel polish, acrylic, and gel extension. And I have 2 years experience as a nanny here in the Philippines. My responsibilities are cleaning, cooking, ironing, washing, ironing, marketing, and my main responsibilities are to taking care of the babies.
Okay. In your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
I will take temperature and I will call my madam to tell her that the baby is sick.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I am trustworthy, hardworking, and responsible.
Do you have any tattoo?
Yes, I have tattoo in my right arm.
Okay. Do you have surgery or serious sickness before?
I have 14 years surgery as a cesarean section and a ligation.
Okay. Do you have an allergy to certain food?
No, I don't have, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to secure my family future.
Okay. If you get hired, who will take care of your children?
My live-in partner.
If you're homesick, what would you do?
I will call my family and do my duties.
Okay. What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I will do my duties. I will sleep after my duties is finished at 10 o'clock and I will wake up at 5 o'clock in the morning.
Okay. Are you the one who do the cooking and marketing at home?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I will be patient and be calm.
Do you accept no day off but to be paid instead by your employer?
Yes, sir.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
Yes, sir.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you willing to share room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir.
Can you cook Chinese food?
No, sir, but I'm willing to learn.
Can you sing an nursery song?
Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Marilyn, 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 life is about a dream.
Okay, what is your message to your future employer?
Hi, Madam and Ma'am and Sir. I hope that you will choose me as your nanny. I will promise to do my duties and responsibilities to you, sir. And I am a hardworking. Thank you.